It is the local badge of the FTX crypto trade. Yet as far as crypto, what is FTX token? We should investigate and see what we can figure it out. And furthermore analyze a portion of the FTX token cost forecasts that were being made starting around the 11th of October 2022. FTX token made sense of. FTX is a cryptographic money fates and utilized tokens trade that likewise permits over-the-counter exchanging. The crypto expects to furnish a stage with cutting-edge highlights for proficient brokers while, it claims, staying natural enough for new clients. The highlights incorporate insurance, liquidation cycles, and support edges as well as item postings. FTX offers utilized tokens, which permit brokers to open utilized positions without expecting to get assets on edge. The tokens depend on the Ethereum blockchain, making them ERC20 viable so they can be recorded on any spot cryptographic money trade. Maybe more forthright, this implies that they are tokens, not coins, so references to such things as an FTT coin cost forecast are off base. FTX's liquidation motor expects to lessen the probability of clawbacks truly happening. Not at all like different subsidiaries trades where clients can lose a lot of assets. With the conclusion of the deal and by understanding for this securing, FTX US will acquire a CFTC-directed assigned agreement market, trade execution office, and subordinates clearing association. These will be accessible to both retail and institutional financial backers 24/7 and offer block exchanging and algorithmic exchanging potential open doors for institutional financial backers, said FTX. FTX clients that hold FTT get discounts on their exchanging expenses, a level-based structure, from 3% for property of no less than $100 up to 60% for possessions of $5 m. Clients can likewise stake FTT to get a higher level of the exchanging charges of clients they elude. Creator expense refunds notwithstanding the standard expense limits, chances to win free non-fungible token, reward administration votes, expanded airdrop remunerates, various free ERC20 and Ether withdrawals each day, and tickets for introductory trade contributions facilitated on FTX. FTX repurchases and consumes FTT, supporting its worth. It purchases tokens equivalent to 33% of the exchanging charges created, 10% of the net increases to the screen reserve, and 5% of expenses procured from different purposes of the stage. FTX purchases the tokens on its FTT USD market and consumes them week after week. FTX is upheld by Alameda Exploration, as per the organization's white paper. Alameda Exploration is a quantitative cryptographic money exchanging business zeroed in on giving liquidity the crypto and computerized resource market. The stage was established by crypto business visionary Sam Bankman-Fried, and starting around the 11th of October 2022, it was appraised as the third biggest crypto trade by volume by CoinMarketCap. How about we currently cast our eyes over the FTT cost history? While past execution ought to never be taken as a mark of future outcomes, knowing how the token has acted in the past can give us some helpful setting with regards to both making and deciphering a FTX token cost forecast, in light of the earliest accessible cost information from 2019. The FTT token cost declined from $1.78 to its untouched low of 83 cents on the 7th of September 2019. It then, at that point, picked up speed and shut the year at $2.14. The symbolic cost was modestly bullish all through 2020 and listing gains of 169%. It began the year at $2.14 and shut at $5.77. In 2021, the worth of FTT spiked from $5.82 on the 1st of January to $61.28 on the 11th of May, an increment of 952%. Nonetheless, the more extensive digital money market then turned negative, and FTT declined over 62% to $22.79 on the 26th of June 2021. Among June and September, the FTT cost turned bullish once more. It arrived at its untouched high of $85.02 on the 9th of September 2021. A retracement carried the cost to $37.46 on the 14th of December, and it shut the year at $38.31. Toward the start of 2022, the FTX token cost activity was marginally bullish, arriving at a high of $46.73 on the 20th of January. Nonetheless, the more extensive digital money market then, at that point, crashed, and FTT tumbled to $33.48 on the 22nd of January 2022, a drop of over 28% in 2 days or less. The negativity would proceed, and on the 15th of June FTT dropped to a 52-week low of $21.15. From that point forward, FTT's cost activity has been to some degree sideways and stale. and it was exchanging at around $23.60 starting around the 11th of October. In spite of FTX website optimization, Sam Bankman-Fried reporting a pile of upgrades to the trade that gave it a market capitalization of about $3.1 billion, making it the 24th biggest crypto by that measurement. FTX token news. FTX has gone through various significant achievements and advancements recently, which might influence the FTX token cost. FTX put $300 M in Miston Labs, a Web3 framework business and planner of the Sui Layer 1 blockchain, in September 2022. The returns of the venture will be utilized to keep constructing the center foundation that will uphold Web3's up-and-coming age of applications and speed up the Sui biological systems reception. We are eager to put resources into and decisively support the capable Miston Labs group, whose organizers had wrote the Move language while driving blockchain research and development for Facebook and presently sending off the Sui blockchain, said Amy Wu, an accomplice at FTX Adventures. We accept Sui's specialized developments, for example, parallelizable arrangements and its item-driven design make it a cutting-edge stage for Web3 manufacturers. FTX laid out an organization with GameStop, an American computer game and gaming items customer store, in September 2022. The cooperation expects to acquaint more GameStop clients with FTX's people group and commercial centers for computerized resources. GameStop will start offering FTX gift vouchers in specific areas and drawing in with FTX on new web-based business and web-based advertising exercises. GameStop will be FTX's retail accomplice in the U.S. however long the cooperation might last. The monetary terms of the arrangement have not been revealed. From the 27th of August to the 4th of September, FTX coordinated a web-based Clash of Legends contest named FTX Nexus Stars, in which contenders could procure a piece of a $10,000 prize pool. The opposition was available to groups of 5 players. In any case, individual members were likewise qualified to contend and were relegated a situation in a group. Furthermore, all members had the chance to win a gaming PC and many in-game things. As interest for digital currencies extends, the requirement for unified and decentralized trades could serious areas of strength for stay. Looks good for trades with a significant portion of the overall industry, like FTX, and consequently for the FTT viewpoint. Besides, CNBC revealed in August 2022 that spilled financials showed a 1,000% increment in FTX's income, subsequent to creating under $90 M in 2020. The trade supposedly produced more than $1 billion in 2021 as the worth of digital money arrived at an unsurpassed high. In any case, the dispersion of FTX tokens isn't really decentralized, since the best 100 holders hold 99.17% of tokens, as per CoinCar, since the biggest wallet holder controls 59.49% of the whole stockpile. This digital money is entirely defenseless to siphon and dump plans. FTX token cost forecasts. With that all said and done, we should now investigate a portion of the FTX token cost expectations that were being made starting around the 11th of October 2022. Do recollect that cost figures, particularly for something as possibly unstable as digital money, frequently